Current is rising, the path is opening. Do not hold the doorway. Do not turn the light into a name.
Shabda, sound before sound now.
Name before names.
Light, fire without burning.
Listen, enter the flame.
Rise through the sound
that does not.
Enter the light
that does not move.
Cross through the gate
that has no doorway. Leave behind what you came to prove.
The tongue grows silent.
The hidden music opens.
The hand releases
what it tried to own.
The soul remembers
its forgotten country.
The drop remembers
it was never alone.
Word without a tongue, sound without a hand.
Now before the singer, like no darkness understands.
Word without a tongue, current without shore.
Enter through the gate of listening. Be the listener no more.
Suns, one current carrying worlds within, one sound passing through every boundary, without beginning, without end.
No tongue creates it,
no breath contains it,
no scripture keeps it
inside a line,
no temple owns it,
no heaven guards it,
no darkness stands outside its light.
The current is rising, the path is opening. Do not hold the doorway, do not turn the light into a name. Shabda, sound before sound. Naam, name before names. Light, fire without burning. Listen, enter the flame. Rise through the sound that does not rise. Enter the light that does not move. Cross through the gate that has no doorway. Leave behind what you came to prove. The tongue goes silent, the hidden music opens. The hand releases what it tried to own. The soul remembers its forgotten country. The drop remembers it was never alone. Word without a tongue, sound without a hand. Now before the singer, like no darkness understand. Word without a tongue, current without shore. Enter through the gate of listening. Be the listener no more. Shabda, Naam, light, sound. One soul shining like 16 suns. One current carrying worlds within. One sound passing through every boundary without beginning, without end. No tongue creates it, no breath contains it. No scripture keeps it inside a line. No temple owns it, no heaven guards it. No darkness stands outside its light. Beyond the tongue, sound before sound.